Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your phone model and OS so you know what options are available. This matters because manufacturers change menus. Once done, open Settings and go straight to Battery or Display depending on your device. Make sure battery is above 20% to avoid shutdown during changes, and enable developer options only if a setting is hidden. You're preparing the environment, so the next steps apply directly, and avoid wasted time hunting for menus. You now change the visible battery elements. Toggle battery percentage on or off and select its placement. This explains how much charge is visible at a glance. Next, pick a battery style, icon, circle, or text, because visual style affects readability. If options aren't in battery, edit quick settings or use System UI Tuner to reveal advanced controls. Developer options sometimes expose additional styles. Make sure to apply each change and observe the status bar so you can compare readability, and you finish by saving changes and restarting the device to ensure the new battery display persists across reboots. This step fixes transient UI quirks. If the status bar misbehaves, clear settings, cache, or reset the system UI process to restore defaults, because temporary corruption can block updates. If problems continue, revert one change at a time so you can identify which option caused the issue. This targeted rollback helps you recover quickly without losing all custom.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.